My name is Robert Wilcox. I'm Managing Director of Massey Wilcox Transport, which was established in 1954, so is now approaching its 70th anniversary. As the pallet business expanded, it brought to our attention the potential risks of forklifts and personnel and the need to keep them apart and safe. We dealt with this initially by specifying 6 new trucks fitted with the lighting system that projects around the truck. But a chance visit to a factory in nearby Bridgwater, we discovered ZoneSafe and felt that this would give us another layer of protection for our people. Like many hauliers, we're part of a pallet network, and in our case, we're members of the Pallet-Track overnight system. We're currently handling around about 700 pallets on a daily basis and using approximately 25 vehicles to service that. And those 25 vehicles are supported by a fleet of 6 forklift trucks. Since implementing ZoneSafe, I feel that we've improved our safety culture within the company. And whilst we can never afford to be complacent, I feel that we can be a little more relaxed knowing that this system is working for us in keeping personnel and forklift trucks safely apart. With regards to tag management, all the regular drivers carry their own tags, but obviously we carry spare ones that, should a visiting driver or one of our other drivers who's not normally involved with working within the intense area can draw a tag from the office and wear it whilst he is in that area of operation. So before we invested in ZoneSafe, we'd already marked our yard out and created safe walkways for our people. And on top of this is the lighting systems that the forklift truck came with. But the ZoneSafe is just added a really significant extra layer of safety, in that it's alerting both the forklift driver and our personnel of the nearness to each other and the need to watch out. In my opinion, ZoneSafe is an ongoing education of our people that's instilling behavioural changes in the way they work. And also I think that every time a tag vibrates, it's a potential situation that's been avoided. Confidence is building in ZoneSafe, and it will eventually become just another part of PPE and the safe way in which we want to operate our business.